deep tech speech company, how are you finding the right balance between not having humans but adding a human touch?
It's a very deep philosophical sort of question, I think. See, I can tell you that a lot of the things that are getting automated, um, they are not, I mean, and the ones that are finding value are the ones that are very important even to the customer. But for them to be delivered, a human today had to manually do it. For example, yesterday I ordered Blinkit and the delivery partner was not able to find my house, so he had to give me a call. Now, my phone number does not accept any unknown numbers, but just because it was Blinkit and Truecaller had verified it as Blinkit, I knew that okay, look, this is a legitimate call. Now, if it was AI or not AI, it did not matter. Even if it was a AI saying, "Look, I've reached here. Could you tell me the right location?" I would say, "Yeah, sure, come here." Right? So the point I'm trying to make is that things that are unnecessary, like these cold calls that you receive for credit cards or personal loans and stuff like that, they are gonna always go into spam, and whether a human does it or a AI does it. Of course, with AI, we have to be careful because you can do it at a larger scale and so on. But ultimately, no one wants that, and it's a very low cost sort of economy over there. Like you do like millions of calls for a very small conversion rate and all that. But things which are very high intent, which are necessary but not enough humans available, out of office hour appointment bookings for doctors. You have all sorts of SMBs who are receiving calls, but they cannot be available all the time to pick their phone up. These things are going to get automated using AI, and there's a super strong product market fit and a reason for AI to exist.
Yeah, I think in this critical life-saving world, I think like the 10-minute delivery thing that you're talking about in Blinkit, I think Zomato is launching the ambulance service, right? Like where they're doing 10-minute ambulance. So if in the future we can use AI to just say it, okay, here I am present, send me an ambulance, and you don't have to like open the app, book it, and probably that is a very customized solution that can be powered through Atoms, right?
Yeah, yeah. I've never thought about that particular use case, but yeah, that's possible.
And similar to order, right? Like, I get craving at this time, then you have an agentic workflow running in your phone, then you say, okay, order me a pizza. Then based on the past information, it has figured out that, okay, probably this is the best place you are liking the most, and that will place the order, do everything. And probably this is what the North Star of Atoms look like for you, right?
I think about this a little more and a little differently, and I'll tell you how. Right now, everything we think about is, oh, when can I use this? Okay, I am hungry. I want to order a pizza, and I'm gonna kind of talk to the agent. Where I feel the most amount of use cases are gonna start occurring is when the atom starts actively talking to you rather than you having to start the conversation with the atoms. It's there on your phone. It can send you like voice notes or messages saying that, hey, I noticed it's around lunchtime. Like, did you have your lunch? What are you feeling like having? That is how I would start the pizza, whatever ordering system than having the user to wait for it. Or, hey, like it's time to sleep. Like, you did not sleep well yesterday also because I've seen your sleep metrics. It's not great. Why don't you stop scrolling on your phone and just call it a day, right? Uh, that might be a use case. So these are like B2C use cases. Even in enterprises, there are like many proactive use cases around like, hey, did you like you were supposed to send these reports? Like, do you want me to prepare them for you? Or these three things seem off in your uh, presentation or your numbers. Like, can I quickly fix them up for you, or should I write these mails to your boss and stuff like that? So proactiveness is one big thing that we need to crack in the aging tech world. All the proactive use cases that we figure out, I think that's where the highest PMF, highest ROI is going to come out of.
And for that to happen, there needs to be a system that keeps monitoring you all the time, right? And you have to
Yeah.
find a sweet spot of not breaching privacy, security, and then you're saying, okay. um, it's like a big brother, right? Existing
Yeah.
by your side, but you tell him to stop, he stops monitoring the system. Kind of that.
Yeah, we need to create like a boundary space where the atom is present and the boundary space where it cannot go. And in that boundary space, it should be able to give you the most value out of its feature set. Uh, how to do it is a fairly unsolved problem. But we do tend to, I think, already share a lot of our data in a fairly secure manner on the internet without even realizing, and with a lot of benefit and not that much harm. I mean, although we say that, look, privacy is going and all that, we benefit a lot more from sharing our data with Google, etc., because we get like very, very personalized recommendations. You have so many useful tools. So we need to figure out a good way to do this, but I do think that a lot of value can get unlocked if we are able to draw that boundary very well.
Okay.